Hello! Are you getting ready for Easter yet? Did you know that you can actually dye eggs using food? Well, today we are going to try to do so together. We will need some eggs.
And some purple cabbage.
This is Sophia, she's gonna help me. Yes, purple cabbage. What else, Sophia?
I don't know this.
This is called spinach.
Spinach and some parsley.
Parsley, yes.
Spice.
Yeah, spice. The spice is called turmeric in English. And another spice, and this one is called, do you remember what it's called? This one is called cayenne pepper.
I forgot.
And some tea made of hibiscus flowers, karkada tea.
And some red wine.
That's right, some red wine. And what is this here?
Coffee.
Ooh, can see it. Some coffee, yes.
White vinegar.
White vinegar, that's right.
And some salt.
Some salt. First we need to put some eggs in the boiling water and boil them for 10 minutes. Next, we will need to cut the cabbage. Then let's put the cabbage in the pot. Add some water. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. 1 tablespoon of salt. And let it boil for 20 minutes. And finally, let's pour it in a glass. Wow, look at that color. Is it purple? Is it fuchsia? What do you think? And now let's repeat the same thing for spinach and parsley. First, we need to cut it. Then put it in a pot. Add water. Add salt. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And boil it for 25 minutes. Finally, let's pour the liquid in the glass. And let's look at this color. Is it yellow? Is it brown? Now let's get ready our coffee and tea. Add boiling water and let it sit for a few minutes. Now let's prepare the turmeric dye and the cayenne pepper dye. Let's pour hot water and let it sit. Now, finally, all the glasses and cups are ready. Let's pour some red wine and dip in the eggs. Let's count together. 1. 1 egg goes in the yellow liquid. 2. Egg number 2 goes in the orange liquid. 3 goes in wine. 4 goes in the cabbage liquid. 5 in the spinach and parsley. 6 in coffee. And finally 7 in the purple tea. Now let's pour a little bit of vinegar in each glass and cup and let the eggs sit for 3 or better 4 hours so they can get some color on them.
Okay, so it's been probably 3 hours. Let's see what we've got here in the end. Are you guys ready to find out?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Let's see. So the first one, this one was coffee. So let's take it out.
Inside.
Ooh, look at it.
It looks
What color?
nice.
What color is it?
The same.
The same.
Brownish.
Oh, I think it's a little darker brown now. Okay, let's check out this one. This one was made from tea.
Uh-huh.
Let's see.
It's all
wow.
black. It's all black.
It looks kind of black, doesn't it? Let's put it down here.
Yes.
Okay, let's wash the spoon. Let's see. This one was spinach and parsley.
Spinach and parsley.
And
Wow.
it's kind of a strange color.
And it came out good.
What color is it? It's definitely not green, is it? No. It's kind of yellow or orange.
To me, it looks the same.
Okay.
Yeah, also to me.
Okay. Next one is cayenne pepper. Let's see what we've got here. Ooh, what color is it?
We don't know.
Well, it's kind of orange, I think, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoop.
Okay. Let's
Let's
try
see.
out.
Next is this one that we did from turmeric. Let's take it out.
Wow.
Ooh.
It came out good.
Kind of yellow, orange.
It's yellowish.
Hard to tell.
Hard
Okay.
to tell, yeah. It's hard to tell. And now
wash
let's
the
do
spoon.
the second one. This one is made out of red
Red wine. This one is red wine. Yes, let's see.
Let's see how it came out.
Well, it came out.
Bad.
It came out with polka dots. Well, it's hard to tell on the video, but it's kind of purplish blue.
Can I see on the video?
Okay. And the last one is the one that we made out of purple cabbage.
We
Let's
know.
see.
It's purple cabbage.
What color do you think it's gonna be, guys? Purple?
Yeah, purple.
Yeah? Let's see.
see.
Ooh,
Bluish.
it's dark blue. Look at that.
But it came out a
It's
little
dark
bad.
blue. Okay.
Oh!
So here we have it.
All
Blue
the eggs.
and purple, kinda. Orange. This one is not clear. This one is kind of a little green. This one is black. And one that's really brown. So here I brought them out so you guys can see. This is the original color of the egg. This egg was not dyed. So these are all the other colors are new. They changed a little bit, didn't they? Not all of them. This one looks almost the same. And this. But this one got really yellow. This one got really blue. And this one, I think it's black. It's hard to even tell. Looks black to me. And this one got some purple polka dots. I hope you liked the experiment we've just made. And let me know if you dyed any eggs with your mommy and daddy. I'd like to see the pictures too. And let me know what color was your favorite. I think my favorite was blue and black. Never thought that purple cabbage will make eggs blue. Well, I hope you have a good Easter and see you soon. Bye bye.